Hello YouTube, my name is Amul and you are watching Tube Mint. In this video I'm going to show you how to make your cards of equal height. So I googled and watched few videos but they were not working for me. So what I've done here, basically I've gone ahead and found a very simple way to make your basically div cards or cards, basically your custom cards of equal height. So you can see these are now of equal height. So what I've done, let me quickly show you what is the structure of the page first. So if you can see here, I've got an article, and within this article I've got product, so many divs you can see here, and these are my cards. You can see. Okay, now hopefully you can see it. And so my article has basically, so when I click on it, you see there's nothing. Article has just kind of default block attributed display block. But when I click on this product, you'll see what I have done here. So main article, then it's basically product list, and then I've got width of kind of 30%, border is kind of 1 pixel only, border radius 5, padding 5 pixel, margin 5 pixel, text align center, so you can see it, and I'm floating every div element to left, and this is what basically making it of equal height. You can see. So I'm using calc method, CSS calc method, to divide the 100% view port height by 1.9. You can do 2.5. It's always going to be of equal height. You simply will have to optimize the content within it, but this is going to work for my screen, I guess. So it's going to be of 1.9. So I'm not going to make any change. So this is the attribute that works for me, and let me know if this works for you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you have any questions, suggestions, leave in the comment below. I will try to answer it ASAP. Thank you. Bye for now.